Did you know there's a different way of buying a home instead of using cash or getting a new loan? In this video, I'm going to share with you a faster, easier way to buy real estate. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, I'm Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Have you heard of cryptocurrency in real estate? Here's some new things I've learned this week and wanted to share with you. According to rockethomes.com, one key thing to note is while some may like buying a house with Bitcoin to buying a house with cash, Bitcoin can be much trickier. Not every seller will accept Bitcoin as payment. I'm going to share with you guys what the pros and the cons to buying a house with Bitcoin. Let's start off with the pros. There are many pros of buying a house with Bitcoin. If you have the ability, here are a few. Especially point number one, the speed of purchase. Like buying a home with cash, buying a house with Bitcoin circumvents a lot of the hurdles that can slow down the home buying process. Another thing, exchanging a more volatile asset for a less volatile one. Bitcoin's value actually changes regularly, whereas home values are steadier and more dependable. Last point for a pro, you may receive a discount, not guaranteed, but you may receive a discount. Sellers are interested in Bitcoin, expect the value to rise. So this means you may be more competitive against a non-Bitcoin buyer. Seller may be willing to sell you the home at a lower price. That's a great thing. Now for the cons of buying a home with Bitcoin. Because the home buying process is still centered around the dollar, buying a house with Bitcoin has its cons. It can be difficult to find a title insurance or even an escrow company. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency can be higher volatile, and the amount one has to spend might be different at the start and at the end of the search. And then don't forget to mention the legal protection are lacking in the transaction. So because this can be a tricky situation, and you definitely want someone who understands this specialized purchase, I highly recommend hiring a real estate professional like me. Hope you got a lot of information out of this video in short amount of time. If you liked it, please subscribe, share, and comment this video. Thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate your feedback as well. Have a great week, and Yah bless you. Take care.